Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to guide you through on how to switch between Minecraft Java and Minecraft Bedrock Edition. The steps apply regardless of whether you start in Java or Bedrock. When you purchase Minecraft for PC, you typically receive both the Java and Bedrock editions, and this guide will help you access both of them. To get started, you need to open your Minecraft launcher, and you can do this by searching for Minecraft launcher in your computer search bar. And if you don't have it installed, you can search for Microsoft Store and download it from there. And once the launcher opens, ensure that you're using the official Minecraft launcher. You already have purchased both Java and Bedrock editions, as they are often bundled together. And after opening the launcher, press on play. And to switch between editions, you need to look at the far left side of the launcher and you'll see Java edition and the Bedrock edition. Simply click on the edition that you wish to play and then click on play again to launch it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.